Data validation. Data validation in Excel lets you control the data that can be entered in a cell. You can restrict the user to enter only a specified range of numbers or text or date. Number, date and time validation. Text and list validation. Error alert and input message. Custom validation based on formula for a cell. Create data validation rule. Number. Select the range of cells you want validated, for eg, number B4, B11. Go to the Data tab of the ribbon, Data Validation, Data Validation. In the Settings tab, choose whole number from the Allow list. Number data validation.png. In the data list, click between. Enter the minimum and maximum values. Input message. Input messages appear when the user selects the cell and tell the user what to enter. On the Input Message tab. 1. Check Show Input Message when cell is selected. 2. Enter a title. 3. Enter an input message. 5.png. Error alert. If users ignore the input message and enter a number that is not valid, you can show them an error alert. On the Error Alert tab. 1. Check Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered. 2. Enter a title. 3. Enter an error message. 6.png. Results. Number 3.png. Try to enter a number higher than 20. Result. 7.png. Drop-down list validation. Select the range of cells you want list validated, for eg, C5, C12. Go to the Data tab of the ribbon, Data Validation, Data Validation. In the Settings tab, choose List from the Allow list. Drop down 1.png. In the data list, click between. Enter the sources. Click OK. Results. 8.png. Custom data validation. How to create a custom validation. Rule based on a formula. Select one or more cells to validate. Open the Data Validation dialog box. On the Settings tab of the Data Validation dialog window, select Custom in the Allow box, and enter your data validation formula in the formula box. Click OK. Example in Explain. Assume that we have 3-column name, account holder, bank account name, IFSC code, and we want to the enter text in capital letter. Then we are use formula, equals and, is text, B5, exact, B5, upper, B5. Equals is text, B5. This formula use for the text letter. Equals exact, B5, upper, B5. This formula use for our value enter uppercase. We have text N capital letter in cell B5. Select the range of cells you want validated, account holder B5, B11. Go to the Data tab of the ribbon, Data Validation, Data Validation. In the Settings tab, choose Custom from the Allow list. Enter formula, equals and, is text, B5, exact, B5, upper, B5. 10.png.